Hi guys, welcome back to Laila's Home Cooking, and on today's episode I brought for you another breakfast recipe, and it is French toast. Easy, simple, quick, ready in 10 minutes. Let me take you to the ingredient. We're gonna need some white slice. I'm using white slice. You can definitely change the slice of bread that you want to use. Some eggs, unsalted butter. I cut them into small cube, milk, and then vanilla extract. That's all we need. The main thing that we are going to need is a plate with deep side. It's better than a bowl. So if you can use, like I'm using a pie plate, this is okay. I think this is best to use for this dish. So I'm gonna start breaking the egg in this plate. Now I'm just gonna beat the egg. Add the vanilla extract. I'm adding about 1 teaspoon, just eyeballing. You can measure. Sugar, which I forgot to mention earlier. Beat that up. Gradually add the milk. Okay guys, I have mixed them all nicely. You have to make sure that all the sugar has been dissolved as well. My pan is heating on medium heat. I'm gonna add the butter. Then just let this melt and make sure your heat is on medium-low, between low and medium. Now you're just gonna take a slice, just dump it in the liquid. Just like that. Don't leave it for too long. And then straight to the pan. And then depending how big is your pan, you can add 2 or more. I'm adding 2 at a time. And then now it's been 1 minute. I'm gonna flip this over. And you can see how beautifully the toast has a nice golden brown color. Let's flip this one as well. That's beautiful. This will literally take a minute each side to cook. And this is done. Just remove and go on the plate on a side. And then now what you're gonna do is add more butter. Since we are doing 2 at a time, I would like to put 2 cubes of butter. Usually it is 1 cube, it is 1-inch cube for 1 slice. And then do the same. My French toast is ready, and this is how they are, and this is for me. How do I like to serve this? Just sprinkle some powdered sugar. This is so good, guys. I just need a cup of coffee, and breakfast is ready. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Get the recipe down below. I will see you next time. Bye.